everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday season and that you're enjoying our holiday videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make some miniature items for your Christmas shop. This is part 2 of our Christmas holiday store build. In part 1, we showed you how to make the backdrop and the shelving. So don't forget to check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. So, let's get crafting. To get the printables for this project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, the link will be in the description box below. And my favorite paper to print on is this double-sided brochure paper. I love the vibrant prints I get. All right, let's get started by making the wrapping paper. By cutting out each piece, I cut each piece in half because I can make 2 rolls out of each color. I take one and I roll it up on a pencil. And I like to roll it once and then go back and roll it up tight once more. And then I just add some glue stick and roll it up the rest of the way. Then I cut out the tag, add some glue to the back side of it, and about 1/4 of an inch from the top, I roll on the tag. Like so. And there are 4 fun colors for you to create. Or you could take the sheet of wrapping paper and use it to wrap a gift. And what else do you pick up when you buy wrapping paper? Why, tape, of course. So let's make some miniature tape for our store. What you're going to do is take and cut away the 1/2 of the tape print and then leave the second one next to the back side. And what I do is I fold that right down the center like so. And then you'll just add some glue stick to glue it together. Once it's dry, you're going to cut it out. So the front should look like this, and you'll have the labeling on the back as well. Then I take my 1/16 of an inch hole punch and put a hole in the top so that it can be hung up. Next, I take a large glue stick and I cut a little slice off one end. Like so. Add some glue to the print and glue down your little slice of glue stick. Then I take and I cut out just the tape on one side, and I'm going to glue that down to the front of this. Right on top. So then when you turn it to the side, as you can see, it looks like a nice little roll of tape. And of course, you could always cut off all the packaging to create a little roll of tape for your dolls that's freestanding. Okay, we have our wrapping paper and our tape. What else do we need? How about some little Christmas gift tags? And the tags are super easy because all you do is cut them out. And then I'm just going to use that 1/16 inch hole punch again to put a little hole in the top so I can hang it. Oh, and don't forget, if you're wrapping up your miniature gifts, you can always cut out a few of these cute little gift tags to stick on to your packages. Now, I think we could use some little bows. All right, what you'll need to make the miniature bows is this foil ribbon. And what you'll do is you'll just cut a length. This is about 4 inches long. And then what you're going to do is just cut little slivers off of this. So you're getting tiny little strips, about a 1/16 of an inch. I cut about 8 strips, and then I tie 4 together one way. And then I grab the other 4 and I tie them onto the other set. So when you're done, it should look something crazy like this. And then you're going to take a scissors, and just like you would with the regular large size, you just curl each piece. And if you curl it more than once, I notice I get a little bit of a tighter curl. So we're going for a tighter curl so it looks tinier. So just take your time and curl each piece. Once I've got it all curled, it looks something like this. And then I take the center where the knot is and I kind of pinch it all together, like so. Then I take one of my little Christmas bow boards and I cut that out. I punch a little hanger hole at the top. And with my 1/8 inch punch, I punch a little hole in the center. Well, that was the goal. This is not quite center. I might center it a little. There we go. That looks a little better. And then I take where that knot is and I push the knot through the board. And then I just add a little glue to the back side to keep it in place. I rated my wrapping paper collection so that I can make lots of fun color bows. And of course, if you've already got your miniatures wrapped up, you can add a bow on top. All right, next we're gonna make this cute little Christmas ribbon. First, you're gonna take the printable and cut out the top and the bottom. Now, if you have a 5/8 inch hole punch, they will punch right out for you. And they'll have a little white rim around the edges. Otherwise, it's just fine to cut them out with the scissors. Once you pick out the type of ribbon you're going to use, cut a strip of white paper the same width as the ribbon. Take the strip of paper and curl it around a pen. And I'm using a pen because I want it to be a little thicker than a pencil. Add some glue and glue it down, creating a little paper ring. Then I take my ribbon and add glue and glue it around the ring. I don't think I want that spot. There we go. Like so. Add glue around one side and set it down on the bottom. Add more glue and glue on the top, creating your own miniature Christmas ribbon. All right, next, let's make some little packs of ornaments. And what I like to use for this are these miniature storage containers from the craft section at the dollar store. I just take one and I take off the lid, and the thing that I do first is I take the little tab off the lid because I don't want that sticking out. And then what you're going to do is take beads or whatever and fill it up. Anything that looks like a Christmas ornament. And I love those ones that have, you know, like a range of colors for your tree. And then you're just going to pop that lid right back on. Then I cut out the ornament collection tag for my printable. And I wrap it around right above the lid here. And I just glue the back together using a little glue stick. And now you know how to make cute little ornament collections for your doll store. Now another thing is, you don't need to make everything for your store, right? I picked up these 3 mini ornaments from Walmart for $2.48. And if you pull one off, I am just going to trim this little ribbon that's already on it. And I'm going to take one of my little tags that I've added to the printable. And I'm going to punch a little hole in the corner. And I'll slip that on the ribbon it already came with and just tie it up again. Creating another little item we can add to the store. Another thing I picked up when I was at the Dollar Tree were these super cute little wooden cutout stars. And I thought they would just be amazing for our miniature Christmas store. And to add tags, you can either tie on a free floating one with ribbon, or you can use the ones that are double-sided and just glue that around one of the sections of the star. Like so. All right, I'm feeling like we need a little floral in our Christmas shop here. So I picked up these picks. These 2 are from the dollar store, and this one was from Walmart. And that's actually the cheaper option. So I always check Walmart for picks. Now I thought it would be kind of neat to make some floral picks of our own. So I just pull off a piece. And then this one has these little styrofoam balls on it. And to be honest, I'm just collecting them as miniature snowballs in my little bin here. And all you need to do is clip off some of the lower branches until you got it at a desired height. And then I take one of my little mini floral tags and I glue it onto one of the branches. Just like that. And then for our store display, I just stick them into a bucket. So after making those little picks, I have lots of extra little pieces left. And to use those up, I like to take this floral wire that has the little leaves wrapped around it, and I twist a piece into the shape of a wreath, like so. And I just use this as a base. And I glue little pieces all the way around the wreath. I start by just gluing the pieces all the way around. And then I take some of the leftover pieces and I start to build up so that it looks fuller and bushier. You could, of course, add little extras like miniature Christmas ornaments or little pine cones or bows, whatever it is you want to add extra. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can take the little wreath tag and curve that around the wreath. Gluing it in the back. like so. If there's anything you've seen in the shop that you'd really love to see us make, let me know in the comments down below. Happy holidays, everyone, and we hope you have a wonderful new year. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. We hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun crafting.